everybody, welcome to problem 4. This is going to be our final video in our series of multi-digit operations. So let's get started. Calculate 2010 times 2010 plus 6 times 2010 times 2010 Wow, that's seriously a lot of numbers. And when you see But just like last time, when you see addition and multiplication, it means we have a distributive property going on. So let's see what we can factor out. I'm first going to rewrite this without the words. So 2010 times 2010 plus 6 times 2010 fours times 2010 twos. So I'm starting to notice something. A lot of these numbers are really just 2010 ones times something. For example, 2010 threes is equal to 2010 ones times 3. Or, for example, for this number, times 5. For these two numbers, times 4 times 2. So, 2010 ones is what we should be factoring out. And what we have is, so let's rewrite everything. So this would be equal to 3 times this much ones times 5 times this much ones plus 6 times 4 times this much ones times 2 times this much ones, 2010 ones. And basically what I did right here is rewrite each of those numbers. Well, all of those except for 6, because 6 is the only one-digit number in here. So what should we be factoring out? Well, we're not supposed to be factoring out just one 2010 one because it's right here, it's multiplication. So what we need to factor out is 2010 ones times 2010 ones. And we can, and in the parentheses, we have 3 times 5 plus 6 times 4 times 2. So this is equal to 2010 ones times 2010 ones times, and after you do this parentheses, 63. Now, I'm not sure what to do next. Should we just multiply? Should we, just write it all out and stack them? Well, 63 can be split into, for example, 7 times 9. 7 times 9, and they're both one-digit numbers. So it's the same as we can multiply them to each of these 2010 ones, and this is what we get after. 2010 sevens times 2010 nines. Now this is where it gets interesting because we see nines appear. And that's part of the reason why we also split 63 into 7 and 9, because it was 9, right? So we rewrite this as, so this is what we're working on now. And we write this as a lot of 1 followed by 2010 zeros minus 1 times 2010 sevens. And I'm pretty sure you get the idea now. So that is equal to 2009 sevens followed by 6 and 2009 twos and a final 3. So that's our final answer. Again, this is a pretty long one. This is one of the hardest. This is this is the hardest, in fact, out of all of these 4 problems. There are many key points to this, but the most important one is being able to factor that out and turning 63 into 7 times 9. So that was one of the keys to solving this problem. So thank you for watching 3 Inquisitive Kids, and see you next time.